Hello everyone, this is VRCHAT VR, and I'm the owner of the Empress in Umgum Road. I want to show you how to add dragon scales onto your base. It'd be Zympia base, it'd be Panda base version 1. For this tutorial, I'll be using version 2 since I'll be releasing a new pack of dragon scales in a couple months. So let's get started. First, have your skin material. If you don't know how to get materials, just do a right click, create, and look for a thing called material. I already have mine set up. You can also do the FBX, same premise. You can extract materials and it will do it for you. And it will give you this. Be sure you have your skin texture and be sure you have your mask and your normals. You can use any sort of mat cap, but I will show you how to do how to implement the scales into your skin. So let's do 8.1. 7.3, I will show you how to do that. With 8.1, this version has you have 4 mat caps and you can have a custom normal. So click on mat cap 0. You always have to click on mat cap 0. If you click on mat cap 1, it's not going to enable. So for mat cap 0, all you need to do is import your mask into the mask. And we also get a mat cap of any kind. So I'm going to be using the dog that's on Poiyomi's mat cap channel. And you can see the good boy inside your mask. But what if you don't want that? That's easy. Check mark custom normal and drag your normals into the normal map. You don't see the dog, but it will be green. But there's a reason why I kept the mask white, is so you can have creative control on your scales. And they can still be completely pretty, or you can keep them as is, have the best mat cap to be very stylish. As for me, if you see me in my dragon form, I'm always Skull. But if you see me in my demon form, I'll be in this one. I cannot show much about logic stuff. I'm only want to teach you how to implement the scales themselves. The logic stuff, that's a different story. You need to figure that stuff yourself, or I can help you out privately. But overall, you have scales, very pretty. Now, I'm going to show you how to do 7.3 Unity. Wait, 7.3 Poiyomi. In Unity, right now I'm using Unity 2022.3.6 for F1, which is the more stable, well, not stable, but the more newer version for VRCHAT standards. You are allowed to use the old Unity, which is 2019 4.3 F1. So, say you have only no strictly 7.3 Poiyomi, and you have no idea what 8.1 or 8.0 does, and you are, let's just say you're still using 7.3 and you want dragon scales. There's 2 ways. You can do the mat cap method, but in 7.3 there is no mat cap. How do we bypass this? It's easy. You still have your mask and your mat cap right here. And then you can also check mark. But you wondered why can't you have your dragon scales? There are two ways of getting these dragon scales. You can do a normal map that's in the main texture, or you can do a normal map that's in the details panel. You can still have the same results of having dragon scales. Personally, I would do detail normals, so you have other normals to work with on your main texture. If you plan on having, I don't know, like etched skin or anything, but I recommend just doing detail normals. And if you want to disable them, if you want to go human mode, you can do that. But that's I can't show you that because that's part of the logics that I can't get into because everyone's logic is completely different on animating how the dragon scales would look. But this is my tutorial on how to implement dragon scales on 7.3 and 8.1 or later iterations of Poiyomi. This is how you get to work with dragon scales. And everything is completely nice. Thank you for watching this video, and please support whatever works I have. Thank you.